Spring ignites Dachshund's adventurous spirits. Discover thrilling outdoor activities for them. Ensure a fun, safe springtime for both. Exploration is essential in a Dachshund's life. Spring offers perfect weather for outings. Walks in the park rejuvenate their energy. Play fetch in open fields. They love digging in soft spring soil. Introduce them to gentle hiking trails. Water play can be refreshing. Identify Dachshund-friendly lakes or streams. Nature trails stimulate their curious minds. Keep an eye out for wildlife. Be cautious of potential hazards like ticks. Use harnesses for controlled exploration. Plan picnics with dog-friendly snacks. Engage in socialization with other dogs. Consistent exercise keeps them healthy. Teach new tricks in your backyard. Bond through shared outdoor experiences. Monitor for signs of fatigue. Provide plenty of water breaks. Use sunscreen for short-haired dachshunds. Capture memories with photos and videos. Spring is a season of bonding. Ensure your Dachshund feels loved and safe. Respect their need for rest. A happy Dachshund equals a happy owner. Springtime adventures strengthen your relationship. Celebrate the joy of being outdoors together. Cherish your Dachshund's adventurous spirit.